Hey guys, Justin with J-Mac Customs here, and we're on the range today with our KP-9. We sent this out to M13 Industries, who did their magic on it. They did some stuff to the recoil spring and they smoothed up the inside of it. This thing should run like butter now. This has our RRD2C 9mm on it. We did have to install it with a crush washer because the detent location on the KP-9 is a little bit higher than a standard AKM. It also has our RSA 5.5 stock and brace adapter, and this has the SIG minimalist stock on here. Makes for a really sweet package. This thing is sweet. Such a smooth shooter. Little to no recoil, thanks to the RRD2C. Let's check this out. What's this do? Ooh, there's a middle switch here. That's the fun switch. And that is fun. Yeah.
That was so smooth.
It was. We're gonna go all fun this time. Wow, this thing is so awesome. This is a blast to shoot. So fun, like little to no recoil, super smooth. That's pretty fast too. I love it. All right, we just installed the Silencer Co. Omega 9K. We've got some 147 grains loaded up. So we're gonna see how this sounds. And I guess I won't be needing these. Wow, that sounds really good. I don't even hear an echo or anything, do you?
No.
Wow. All right, let's dump the rest on full auto. Wow, it's brutal on full auto with the 147s and the suppressor. Wow, that runs super fast. Yes. This thing is freaking awesome. So smooth. I can tell it's gonna be reliable. Sounds great with a suppressor on it. And with nice additions like the RRD2C and the RSA 5.5, it makes this gun really nice to shoot. So go check out Kalashnikov USA, M13 Industries, Silencer Co., and of course J-Mac Customs for the 5.5 and the 2C. J-Mac Customs, more than just a firearm.